Welcome to Clear Code Teaching. This is a 20-question Python multiple choice quiz based on lessons 1 to 6. Every question includes real Python code. Pause the video, choose A, B, C or D, then play on to check your answer. Let's go! Quiz question 1. What is printed? And the answer is B. Print displays exactly the text inside the quotation marks. Capital H stays capital. Question 2. What is the output? Answer to question 2. The correct answer is B. Sequencing. Python runs top to bottom, one line at a time. Question number 3. What is the output? And the answer is B again. The second assignment overwrites the first value. The variable keeps the latest value. Question number 4. What is the output? The correct answer is C. X starts at 2, then we add 3 and store it back into X, so X becomes 5. Question number 5. What data type does input return? Question 5 answer is C. Input returns text, a string. Even if the user types numbers, it comes in as a string, or str. Question number 6. A user types 10. What prints out? Question number 6 answer. The correct answer is B. Int converts the input string to a number, so 10 plus 1 becomes 11. Question number 7. A user types £2.50 or 2.50. What prints? Question 7 answer. The correct answer is A. Float converts a decimal number. 2.5 times 2 equals 5.0. Question number 8. What is the output? The correct answer is B. Multiplication happens before addition. 3 times 4 equals 12, then 2 plus 12 equals 14. Question number 9. Which operator checks if two values are equal? I'll give you a hint on this one. It's not in the code. Question 9 answer is B. Double equals compares values, single equals assigns or stores a value into a variable. Question number 10. If score is 55, what prints out? The correct answer is A. 55 is greater than or equal to 50 is true, so the if block runs and prints out pass. Question 11. If score is 50, what prints? The correct answer is B. 50 greater than 50 is false because it's not greater, it's equal. So the else runs. Question 12. If score is 72, what prints? The correct answer is A. Python checks from top to bottom. First condition is true, so it prints A and stops. Question 13. If score is 55, what prints? Question 13. Answer. The correct answer is B. The first condition is false. The second condition is true, so it prints out B. Question 14. What happens when this runs? The correct answer is C. This is a sequencing error. Total is used before it's created. It'll create a syntax error. Question 15. A user types 5. What happens? The correct answer is C. Num is a string because input returns str or string. You cannot add 1, an integer, to a string. Question 16. A user types 5. What prints? Question 16. The correct answer is B. Both values are strings. So plus joins them together. 5 plus 1 is 51. Question 17. Which line runs when the condition is false? The correct answer is C. Else runs when the if condition is false. Question 18. Which statement is true about if, elif and else? The correct answer is B. Python checks top to bottom and runs the first branch whose condition is true. Question 19. What data type is stored in coins? The correct answer is B. Coins start as an integer, 0. Adding 5 keeps it an integer, or int. And question 20. A user types age equals 15 and student equals yes. What prints? This is a slightly more complex one. The correct answer to question 20 is D. Age is less than 16, makes price £6. Student yes subtracts 2 more, so 66 minus 2 is 4. Thanks for playing the quiz. Bye bye.